Greetings, esteemed industry leaders and experts. As electronic components continue to shrink, SMT processes are facing unprecedented challenges. While we often prioritize machine precision, we must not overlook that packaging materials represent the last mile in ensuring production yield. KF series features ultra-low peelback voltage, less than 20 volts, with permanent ESD dissipation, eliminating component attraction at the source. We maintain an antimony-free design, ensuring 100% compliance with global green procurement standards. KF3000 Extreme Eco features dual-sided permanent ESD and is 100% solvent-free. KF5000 Reliable Workhorse, low solvent formula, offering an optimal balance of stability and strength. KF7000 Focus on Industry Authority features 90 degrees Celsius anti-sticking technology and supports in-situ baking. The KF series, utilizing advanced materials science to simultaneously resolve component attraction and thermal sticking, a feat traditional technologies struggle to achieve. During the peeling process, on an SMT line, the friction between the cover and carrier tapes creates triboelectricity. If the resulting electrostatic force, Fe, is greater than the component's gravity, Fg, it causes the component to stick to the tape's bottom, or even fly away because of the uneven force distribution. For miniaturized packages, such as WLCSP or 01005, their ultra-light mass results in negligible gravitational pull. Consequently, the static electricity generated during the cover tape peeling process becomes the primary factor compromising production yield. The KF series is engineered with ultra-low peelback voltage, less than 20 volts. By utilizing specialized IDP, inherently dissipative polymer, to form a 3D interpenetrating network structure, it facilitates the rapid neutralization and dissipation of accumulated triboelectric charges. The industry-recognized safety threshold is strictly below 1 to 100 volts. However, most competing products still fluctuate widely between 40 and 1,750 volts. In contrast, the entire KF series features an ultra-low peelback voltage of less than 20 volts. The adhesive layer of KF 7000 exhibits high chemical inertness, maintaining a zero residue and zero component sticking performance even at temperatures up to 90 degrees Celsius. This effectively resolves the critical pain point of WLCSP, backside coating adhesion, following high-temperature transit. Furthermore, it is fully compatible with 90 degrees Celsius in-situ baking processes. By leveraging its heat-resistant, 90 degrees Celsius and anti-thermal sticking adhesive technology, KF7000 enables the in-situ baking process, allowing components to be baked directly. Conventional workflows require detaping, component transfer, baking, and repackaging, a sequence that is not only time-intensive but also heightens the risk of pin deformation and die chipping. Leveraging its zero residue and zero sticking performance at 90 degrees Celsius, KF7000 successfully enables in-situ baking. This not only safeguards component integrity, but also eliminates secondary transfer risks, leading to a projected 90% reduction in processing costs. It is a common misconception that higher baking temperatures always yield better results. In reality, conventional 125 degrees Celsius baking accelerates the growth of oxidation layers and intermetallic compounds. IMCA on QFP component leads, which ultimately compromises solderability. For automotive LEDs, excessive heat can further trigger silicone browning or discoloration. The 90 degrees Celsius in-situ baking supported by KF7000 provides the optimal solution. It fully complies with JSSTD 033D standards while balancing process efficiency with long-term component reliability. The KF cover tape series represents a definitive solution to the three most critical industry pain points: transit heat, low humidity ESD, and baking efficiency. By integrating the KF series into your workflow, you not only achieve full compliance with JSTD 033D standards, but also realize a significant reduction in component attraction rates and operational costs. We are your ultimate strategic partner in the pursuit of zero-defect manufacturing.